have spiritual mentors in a lot of ways, in music, in my relationships, in work. I didn't grow up in a traditional sense kasi I was homeschooled. So having mentors in multiple areas of my life helped kasi di ko naman inaako yung galing ko in whatever. Actually, most of the stuff that I can do now is because of mentors that have helped me grow in certain aspects. In terms of yung spirituality naman, I have high-functioning depression, and it's a long drawn-out sadness, and it helps when you have people praying for you. You have people who give you the word, who journey with you, who help you search for Jesus more instead of looking for happiness and fulfillment in other things. And nakakatulong mas lalo na since they always point towards Christ instead of pointing towards other things. And it stops me from wallowing in my despair, wallowing in my pain, wallowing in depression. Just na po-point back ako always kay Christ, even if it's so hard sometimes. There are many times that I have mentors that have failed me, even in ministry, na tipong people that inasahan ko would be there for me during that moment were not. People na I thought would be by my side were not. Then I just realized na I hold on to the fact that wala, tao lang talaga. Even priests make mistakes, di ba? Na even my parents make mistakes. So I just focus on the thought na even if they fail, my God never fails.
Bestow on my heart the gift of submission and faith. Impart to me a humble love for the spiritual mentors you have provided for me.